What's up guys, it's Wubny here. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get battery corrosion and battery acid out of things like TV remotes, game controllers, and so much more. You get battery corrosion and battery acid when people leave in batteries for too long. And when it comes to sourcing at thrift stores or garage sales, you don't know how someone has treated their TV remote, their game controller, or any of that. And you obviously don't want to flip something that has battery corrosion in it, battery acid, because that's not good. And there's a good chance if the battery corrosion is on the springs or on the actual connections that the device won't work. But today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of that, so let's get into it. So starting off, let's go over the items you need. So first, you're definitely going to need some white vinegar, Q-tips, and you're definitely going to need a toothbrush. I recommend going cheap because you don't want to waste good money on a toothbrush. You're just going to use for actually cleaning stuff. And you might need some isopropyl alcohol depending on how bad the corrosion is. So guys, this is what we're going to be getting the battery corrosion out of today. It's going to be a basic Panasonic remote. Look at how nasty the actual corrosion and acid is. You can see it right here. I recommend handling it with gloves, but I don't care. Let's go ahead and get rid of it today. So you first want to start by taking the batteries out. This is extremely nasty, so I'm going to use this little metal tool that's inside the iFixit kit. The batteries are even falling apart. That's how nasty this TV remote is. So boom, that's one out. You guys can just see how nasty this corrosion is. And there's the second one out. Absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna go ahead, throw these in my little trash pile. A little trash bin right there, you see it by the Windex bottle top. And then let's go ahead and just get the corrosion that fell out on the table off the table. So next, see how nasty it is right there. Just go ahead and get up close. Take your white vinegar and then take your toothbrush, right? The only downside about vinegar is it doesn't smell too nice, but you know, if it gets the job done, you gotta put up with it. Dip the toothbrush inside the vinegar and then just go to town, just scrub. You can see it bubbling up, you can hear it. That's it fizzling and it's fighting the corrosion. So this is definitely one of the worst corrosions I've ever had to deal with. But you see I'm just scrubbing it, getting the springs, getting all around the back of the controller. You can see just from me scrubbing it that quickly, look at how much better it already looks. Let's look at the spring right here. It already looks a lot better, which is insane. And then after you scrub it for a little bit, you just take your Q-tip, try to clean up any excess. You can already see from that, there's still a few spots I missed, of course. But from just that little quick wiping down, little quick rinse with a toothbrush, and you see how nasty the Q-tip's getting, it's already 100 times better. Like, it's insane. So you just rub it down a little more. Make sure you get in every compartment, even around the back, because you don't want it to just look nasty, you know? Make sure you get all around the springs. Make sure you get in the springs. You can push down on the springs when it comes to cleaning them. Just try not to damage the springs themselves, but you can push down on it, get wherever you need to go. Look at that. So much better, so much cleaner. So because this was so nasty, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it again. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it down again. You guys don't need to see that. You guys saw how to get rid of the corrosion and the battery acid. For most items, it would not be this bad. It will never be this bad. But just because it was that bad, I'm going to wipe it down again off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys it works after I'm back. So I don't have an actual TV to test this on. But if I put the batteries in, put the back on, it works no problem. See, it looks a lot better. But yeah, that's how you get battery acid and battery corrosion out of TV remotes, game controllers, and whatever else has battery corrosion and acid in it. Keep flipping.